Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And I have with me today one of our student interns.
Hi, I'm Carlina. So what are we making today?
Today we are making something called Octo-Pals, and they're little octopus friends.
So cute. So before we get started, we're going to be doing an octopus breath. We're gonna have our hands like this, where as we breathe in, we're gonna put our hands up like this. And then when we breathe out, we're going to have our arms go like this, like tentacles.
Great.
And we're gonna do that 2 times together.
Okay.
So breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So what supplies do we need today?
We need paper, markers, glue or tape, and scissors.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the first step. And if you need help with the scissors, make sure you ask someone who's a little bit older than you. So the first step is you're going to take half a piece of paper. So I just took a piece of construction paper and folded it in half and cut it. So I have that. Okay, and then what you want to do is you can measure for this, but I didn't. I just winged it. You're going to cut 8 legs. So I'm just going to show you. You're just going to cut up part way. Okay, so there's 1 leg, and you're going to do that until you get to 8. Okay. So I'll show you in a second. So while you're doing that, so now I have, as you can see, 8 legs. And before we do the next step, you can draw the little circles that we put on our tentacles. Okay, so I'm just going to do one. I'm going to do all of them because it's easier to do before you fold it.
Mm-hmm.
So while we're drawing those on, Carlina, I'm going to tell you an octopus joke.
Nice. Okay, I'm excited. I'm ready.
Okay, so what do you call an octopus who plays the guitar?
What?
A rocktopus.
Oh, and I like that one. That's a good one.
Thank you. Okay, so
Okay.
have the little suction part of the tentacles.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next step is, see all this extra paper right here that you didn't use? You're just going to cut it, the bottom part like this. So it'll look like this. Okay. And then all you do is wrap this up like this. So your legs match up, and then tape it. Okay, so now I'm going to tape it right here. And then it will look like this. Okay, and then what you want to do is, actually, I'm going to put a second, I'm going to tape mine a little bit tighter. You want to tape it so that you make sure it's all lined up. And then you can bend the legs up so that it can stand better. I'll show you. I just really use my hand and went like that. So then it will, or you can just press it down like that. So now it's standing. Okay, and so what's the last step going to be?
So the last step is going to be, we're going to make a face for our Octo-Pal. So you just need like glue or paper. I have eyes already pre-cut.
Okay, me too.
So these are the little eyes that I did.
Yes, if you have googly eyes, you could use them, but I didn't, so I just cut out eyes and put a little pupil with marker.
So I'm gonna stick those on and then you can draw a mouth as well.
All right, there's the eyes. And this octopus is very happy because
Yeah.
it's gotten to be in this video, and it has another pal. So here's mine.
And here's mine.
Awesome. And there you have it. So these are really fun and easy, and they look good all together as
Mhm.
pals. So thanks, Carlina.
Yeah, of course, we can make a whole family.
I know. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.